In this video, we will discuss a scalping strategy that you can apply to various markets and time frames. The scalping strategy covered in this video can be implemented on 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15-minute charts. For optimal effectiveness, it is recommended to utilize this trading strategy with a 15-minute time frame. Additionally, this scalping strategy is versatile and can be employed in forex trading, cryptocurrency trading, gold trading, or other asset trading. Don't miss out on this video to ensure accurate understanding of the information we'll be presenting. And at the end of the video, we will provide information on how you can boost your profits by employing this scalping strategy. Please support us by liking and subscribing to this channel. Scalping trading strategy we're discussing today will only involve 2 indicators that you can freely access on the TradingView application. In this video, we will use the gold pair or XAUUSD as an example. Let's navigate to TradingView and set the pair to gold or XAUUSD. Adjusting the time frame to 15 minutes. Now, let's proceed to input the indicators that will be utilized. Go to the Indicator Search tab and type in HalfTrend. Then, select the default HalfTrend indicator from Everget. Next, enter the indicator settings. In the Input tab, change the amplitude to 4. Now, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for ATR high, ATR low, arrow up, arrow down, ATR high ribbon, and ATR low ribbon. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The first HalfTrend indicator will be used as a signal guide in the market. If the HalfTrend line is blue, it indicates a bullish trend. On the other hand, if the HalfTrend line is red, it signifies a bearish trend. Now, let's add one more indicator that will serve as a guide for placing buy and sell entries in the market. Go back to the Indicator Search tab and type in HalfTrend again. Select the HalfTrend indicator from Everget. Now, enter the indicator settings. In the Input tab, leave the settings at their default values. Then, go to the Style tab. In the Style tab, uncheck the boxes for ATR high, ATR low, ATR high ribbon, and ATR low ribbon. Once done, click OK to confirm the changes. The second HalfTrend indicator will be used as a guide to place buy and sell orders in the market. If a blue arrow appears, it signals a buy order. Conversely, if a red arrow appears, it signals a sell order. Now, let's discuss how to place buy and sell orders using this indicator. How to place a buy order. 1. If a blue arrow appears, it signals a buy entry signal. 2. To confirm the buy signal, ensure that the second HalfTrend line is also blue. 3. If both HalfTrend lines are blue, you can place a buy order after the completion of the candlestick. 4. Set the stop loss at the lowest point of the buy signal arrow. 5. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a sell order. 1. If a red arrow appears, it signals a sell entry signal. 2. To confirm the sell signal, ensure that the second HalfTrend line is also red. 3. If both HalfTrend lines are red, you can place a sell order after the completion of the candlestick. 4. Set the stop loss at the highest point of the sell signal arrow. 5. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. How to place a buy order. 1. If a blue arrow appears, it signals a buy entry signal. 2. To confirm the buy signal, ensure that the second HalfTrend line is also blue. 3. If both HalfTrend lines are blue, you can place a buy order after the completion of the candlestick. 4. Set the stop loss at the lowest point of the buy signal arrow. 5. Use a target take profit with a risk and reward ratio of 1 to 1.5. Note, if a buy or sell signal appears, but the two half-trend lines do not have the same color, cancel the setup. In addition to using a 1 to 1.5 take profit target, you can also utilize a take profit extension. This involves waiting for a counter signal to appear before executing your take profit. For instance, suppose you enter a buy position and the market is trending strongly. In this case, you can wait until a sell signal emerges before executing your take profit. However, caution is advised, as the market may not always move in accordance with your expectations. If you have already placed an order, refrain from opening a new position until the previous one is closed. Always maintain your money management and trading psychology. That concludes this video, and I'll see you in the next one.